Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now we gonna discuss the problem of the day, capacity to ship package within DDs. Okay, so let's go there and check how to solve that. Before solving, I want to ensure that I have solved this problem earlier. Then I'm just gonna explain how to do that. Okay, so yeah, let's go. So if you are not read that problem, I just read once and I just explain what happened over there. Okay, so given an array of n weights. Okay, you are given an array of n weights. Find the least weight capacity of the board to ship all the weights within DDs. So you are given an array of n weights, and you are also given a d days, integer d. That represent the days. So you need to depart all the weights within d days, okay, through a ship or boat, whatever you say. So they are asking what would be the minimum capacity that the boat can afford, so that all the weight can be depart within d days. Okay, so in that there is a problem, like you can't choose so for example, this example, you can't choose one and then after again one. So you need to choose the weights consecutively. Okay, so first of all you have to choose one, then two, then one again. Okay, so let us go to the explanation. So yeah, basically what you are given an array, right? An array of weight, right? Yes, right. So let us look at that question. Take the example. I think this example would be better, means explaining the things, it will be more clear too. So n equal to 3, d equal to also 3, and array is given 9, 8, 10, right? So let's go over there. So what they are given, n equal to 3, right? And also d equal to 3. Okay, so what are the weight given? 9, 8 and 10. So you may encounter some problems regarding this. We need to do the binary search. You may heard of the problem that allocation of books, library books, some sort of a very famous problem. You can go through that. This is actually the same problem, same concept problem. So what we are going to do, we are using binary search on answer to solve that problem. Binary search on answer. Okay, this is a technique to solve the problem. Okay, so what we are going to do over there, here let me write that n equal to 3 and d is also given 3. Okay, and array is given 9, 8 and 10, right? So what we are going to do, we are picking some particular weights and check whether it can be a possible answer or not. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are taking the maximum weight, right? We are taking maximum weight. Up from the maximum weight, we are means our answer can be lie on this range. Okay, so maximum weight to the sum of all the weights, right? So what will be that? 27, right? From maximum weight to sum of all weights. Okay, why we choose the maximum weight only? Can you answer? The logic behind is if you choose any other weight, okay, there may be some condition, let's say you choose 8. Okay, so when you are going to choose 9, okay, you are going to choose 9, you can't choose because you are assuming that you can choose only 8, right? So we are taking from maximum weight to the sum of all the weights. Okay, so our answer will lie in this range. What we are searching, our answer will be lie in this range. So what we have to do, we have to perform binary search on answer, binary search on answer in this particular range. So let's look up how to do that. So here our array is given like 9, 8 and 10, right? Now our D is given equal to 3, right? So what is the maximum? That is 10, right? Okay, so 10. So our low value in binary search will be 10, right? And what will be our sum of all the weights? 27, right? So our high value means this can be also an answer, right? So we can take also like 27 capacity. Then we can what we can do, we can take all the packages within one day, right? So that will be a valid answer. But the thing is, we need to find the minimum weight the board can carry, so that it can like reach all the weight within D days, right? So we need to find the minimum. So what we going to do, we going to apply binary search over here. So first of all, let us take how to do the binary search. We are finding mid, right? Mid element. So what is the mid in this case? Mid is basically mid equal to low plus high divided by 2, right? So mid element will be like 10 plus 27 divided by 2. That will be your 37 by 2 equal to 18, right? 18 you will get, right? So put 18 over there. Now whether mid can be an answer, we need to check whether mid can be a valid answer or not. Okay, so how to find that whether it's a valid answer or not? So whenever we find the mid, we gonna check it. Okay, so here the array given 9, 8 and 10, right? Our mid means we assuming that our capacity is 18. We can handle 18 up to 18 capacity. So if you check over there, 9 it can hold, right? 9 is less than 18. Now your capacity will be remain 9. So 9 is also less than 8 is also less than 9. So it can also hold these two. So it can hold these two within 1 day. Okay, and then again it can hold this weight in the next day. So totally it take 2 days. 2 days if it can carry 18 means 18 kg or something, whatever 18 units, it will require 2 days to ship all this weight, right? So 18 may be a valid answer, yeah, because 2 days, which is clearly less than 3, right? Because our D is given 3, means within 3 days we have to ship all the things. So we find a result, that may be our result, but is there any other possibilities? We have to check, right? So what we have to do in this case, we have to go, we have to put our high over there in the mid, right? Now our high is equal to 18, sorry. Okay, so now our binary search will be on 10 and it's 18. This is our high, this is our low. Okay, so similar process we are going to do, and we find the mid value, that will be your 28 divided by 2, 14, right? So yeah, this is our mid value. Okay, so now check whether we can fulfill the requirement if we take 14 kgs. per day. Okay, so again we have 9, 8 and 10. Okay, so 14. So 9 is obviously less than 14, but 17 is greater than 14, right? If you can't do these two, right? Because your capacity is 14, but you can take only this one. Okay, so in day 1 you going to take this one, day 1. In day 2 you going to take this one, day 2, and in day 3 you going to take this one, day 3. Okay, so this can be a valid answer because they are given your you have to ship all the weight within 3 days, right? And here you will take 3 days only, right? Okay, so that may be a valid answer. So if you find a valid answer, you will going to check like whether there is any other smaller value that satisfy the conditions or not. So what we going to pick, we going to do, we going to pick this high and we going to point high over there, 14, right? High. Now check again, do binary search on 10 and 14, right? Sorry. Okay, 10 and 14. If you do the binary search on 10 and 14, you going to have that meet value equal to 12. So if you take 12 also, okay, if you take 12 also and you try to find the answer whether it's a valid or not, so you will get 3, right? 3 days. 3 days you will going to get 3 days, which is less than or equal to d days, right? D equal to given 3, right? So what you are going to do, this may be an answer, and you going to shift your result value to this one, because we need to find the minimum, right? We need to find minimum weight that can ship can carry, so that like it can ship all the weight within d days, right? So right now our high is here, so you find a valid answer 12, right? We update the result, right? Result equal to 12. At first result is your 14 in this case. Now you update the result and your result will be 12, right? Now what what you have to do, we gonna check again from 10 to 12, right? Whether a valid answer is there or not. So if you going to do the 10 to 12, then you going to get the mid equal to 11. So again in 3 days you can ship all the weight, right? If you take 11 unit of weight per day, right? 11 unit of weight per day, you going to ship all the weight within 3 days, right? So again you in this case also you update the result, and then try check for the smaller values, like 10 plus 11 divided by 2 equal to 10, right? So you are checking for, right now you are checking for 10, right? Okay. So either 10 is a valid answer or not. Okay, so if you check 10 is a valid answer or not, if you check 10 and you are given an array 9, 8 and 10, right? So within 3 days, means first day you can take 9, second day whether you can choose these two element in first day, no, because you are having only 10 unit of capacity, but if you took these two, then it will be 17 kg, right? Or 17 unit, so it's greater than, so you can't take that, right? So you are taking 9 kg first day, 8 kg second day, and 10 kg third day, right? So within 3 days you can ship all the weight, right? Okay, so just update your result to 10. After doing that, your binary search loop will be executed fully, and it will break, and your final answer will be your what, 10, right? So this is the basically the approach. So I will show my code for better understanding. So here in this case we are taking our maximum and the total sum. Okay, in sum we are taking our total sum. So we initialize our low value as maximum value, maximum void value, and high as sum of all the weight, right? Because our answer will be lies within in this range, right? For simplicity we are initialize our result with sum, the maximum highest value. Okay, now we are what we are doing, we are doing the binary search of over there, lowest less than or equal to high, and then we find the mid, and we are checking if it is a valid choice or not. Okay, so if it is a valid choice, then what we can do, like we are shifting our result to the mid, because mid can be an answer, right? And then what we are going to do, we update our high equal to mid minus 1. Okay, else what we are doing, low equal to mid plus 1. Then what we do, we return the result, right? So in is valid, what we are going to do, we are counting the number of days, either we can shift that, if we take that much of capacity, can we able to ship all the weight within the days or not. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are running a loop over there, sum plus array is less than or equal to mid. Then what we going to do, we are adding that weight within the sum, right? Otherwise it's greater than or equal to. So what we have to do, we have to increment the day, count of day, right? This count basically showing us the number of days, right? So we increment the day, because on that day we can't take this particular weight because it's exceeding the our capacity, right? So what we are going to do, we increment that, and now we are updating our sum as like array of 5. So if the count is less than or equal to d, okay, so they are given us d days, right? So if we can ship all the element, this count is basically the number of days, right, we need if we use that particular weight capacity, right? So if it is less than or equal to d, then we return the true, otherwise we return the false. So submit that, you can see as a correct answer. Yeah, see, it's correct answer. Thank you. Subscribe our channel, okay, and like and share with your friends. Yeah, thank you.